Hi, Sterling Ball here. Let me introduce you to the family, tell you a little bit about them. I want to start with Double Secret. This is just a really neat combination of sea salt, garlic, onion, chilies, citrus. There's 2 hidden secrets in here. And we always hide it here. It says other natural flavors. Those are the secrets right there. Got all the good things you need to bring out the most in your steak. So I like Big Poppa Double Secret for beef. Next up is Money. This is a really great competition barbecue rub that actually a third of it's Double Secret. The rest of it are flavors more prevalent to barbecue. So if you want a little more color, a little wider flavor profile, Money is for you. Happy ending, a finishing rub. It's a great blend of spices with salt and pepper too that really wakes up your meat at the end of the cook. Right before serving it, this is primarily for beef, but it's great for pork too. Try it on chicken. Just give it a little hit when it comes off the cooker and it really wakes up the meat. Desert Gold, probably our most versatile seasoning. It's really perfect with chicken, fish, or pork. I even make salad dressing with it. I take a little oil, a little vinegar, and put a tablespoon of Desert Gold in. When you want that really cool non-barbecue flavor, Desert Gold delivers that. It's a great blend of Mediterranean spices where I added a little sesame, a little ginger, and a little lemon to give it kind of a West Coast feel. This is Sweet Money. Sweet Money is the #1 championship pork and rib rub on the barbecue circuit, but it's even better at home. It's great also for chicken, vegetables, sprinkle it on your salad. Sweet Money has got just a beautiful finish that starts out a little bit savory, some sweetness, and then some heat. I like the sweet heat of it, and I like the big salt as it melts, because not all salts are created equal. We use the finest sea salt you can get. Here comes Cash Cow. This is one of my latest rubs, and I'm really proud of it. It's a great base rub for beef, where you can use this as the first stage, and you can use Money, Double Secret, or Little Louise as the top coat, or you can use it all as own. This is great for all cuts of beef: hamburgers, steaks, chops, and brisket. We have a rendered beef fat we put in here, along with beef stock. Cash Cow, you can make broth with it, you can saute mushrooms with it, and you can't believe what that extra flavor is. Hallelujah. This is personally my favorite. Hallelujah is a great seasoning if you want to kick it up a little bit. You want to add a little kind of southwestern feel. You can use it as a base rub with any of our rubs. You can cook wings with it with the Desert Gold. You can mix it with the Double Secret. Hallelujah gives you everything you want in a seasoning salt, but with the addition of a very nice fresh green jalapeno flavor. I even use it on popcorn. Yeah, this is the Bacon Hallelujah rub. It's also got maple in it. It's a little bit sweet. It's really designed for pork because maple and bacon are kind of things that pork really responds well to. But it's great on hamburgers and great on chicken. Little Louise is a seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. You can use this on absolutely anything you want. Vegetables, fish, chicken, beef, pork. Great with steak if you want to put some Double Secret with Little Louise. People on the competition brisket trail use it as a base rub. When you're making a sauce, when you're making anything, I always have Little Louise next to the grill, Little Louise next to the stove. It's never past arm's length for me. Little Louise is the Swiss Army knife rub we have. Cucaracha. What cucaracha is kind of my take on sriracha dried. It's a very exciting blend of vinegar, citrus, and peppers. I use cucaracha just to kick it up a little bit. Where you use cayenne pepper, use cucaracha. Even when I make a recipe that has sriracha, I put cucaracha in it because it kind of thickens the flavor up a little bit. Cucaracha is incredible on chicken, wings, anything where you want that spice. Blending it with any of the more salt-based rubs we have, like Hallelujah or Little Louise, is really exciting. The possibilities, you can mix any of these rubs together to create your own flavor profile. You understand what the different rubs are for the different meat, and you can't go wrong. You can't make a mistake.